Hi, hello, my dear young kids. How are you all? Are you listening the lessons? Children, what are you doing now? Are you ready to listen the lesson? Children, when did you get up early in the morning? When did you get up early in the morning? 8 o'clock or 6 o'clock? 6 o'clock. Yes, that is a good time. Yes, children. After getting up, what will you do? After getting up, what will you do? Do you drink water? Do you drink water? Yes? Yes, children? Yes. Do you drink water every day? Yes. What do we need for brushing your teeth? What do you use for brushing your teeth? Are you brushing teeth twice a day? Really? Do you clean your tongue? Do you brush your teeth daily? What do you use for brushing teeth? Paste, brush and water. Isn't it? Water is used for brushing your teeth. Okay. And what are the things necessary for bathing? What are the things necessary for bathing? Yes, children. What are the things necessary for bathing? Soap, good soap, clean towel and clean water. Okay, children? Yes. What do we need for bathing? What do we need for bathing? Soap, clean towel and water. Water is very important for bathing. Yes. After bathing, what will you do? Take breakfast. Isn't it? Have you taken breakfast now? Yes. What did you eat in the breakfast? Yes. Upma, chapati, idli like that. Puri like that. Yes, children. After eating, what will you do? After taking breakfast, what will you do? You are ready to go outside for playing. You are ready to go outside for playing, isn't it? Yes, along with your friends. Okay, children? After that, what will you do? Eating lunch. Okay, yes, you are taking good food. You are taking good food. Okay, children? From morning till night, we need water, we need food. Yes, we eat many kinds of food every day. Many times, many kinds of food every day, no? We eat many kinds of food many times every day, no? Yes, I too eat more food every day. I too eat many times. I too eat more food many times. Okay, every day. Did you drink milk? Yes, children. Yes, milk is the complete food. It makes our teeth and bones strong. Okay, children. Don't eat chocolate. Don't eat pizza burgers. Don't eat toffees. Don't eat chips. These are junk foods. Junk foods are not good for our health. Okay, children? Yes. What do we need to live, ma? We are all living things, no? Are you a living thing? Yes. We are all living things. All living things need food, air, water. Yes. All these things are very necessary, no? Without any one of these, they can't live. They can't stay alive. Isn't it? So, children, today we are going to learn our basic needs. What is the name of lesson? Our basic needs. Lesson number 7. Our basic needs. What are our basic needs? The things which keep us healthy and strong and alive are called basic needs. Okay, things which keep us healthy and alive is called basic needs. Can you tell what are our basic needs? From morning till night, we depend all these. We depend on all these things. Okay, what are these things? These are our basic needs. What are our basic needs? From morning till night, we depend on food, we depend on water, we depend on clothes and home, and also air. These are all the basic needs. Okay, can we live any without any one of these? Can we live without food? Can we live without water? Can we live without air? No, we can't live. Okay, we may die. So we depend on food, water, clothes and shelter every day from morning to night. So we must have food, water, air, clothes and shelter. If any one of these basic needs not met, okay, then humans cannot survive. So all my dear kids, listen carefully. Today the name of the lesson, our basic needs. After getting up, we brush our teeth. Okay, we need water for brushing our teeth. Okay children, we need water. Okay, rain is the main source of water. We get water from the rain. Yes. Okay, and the sources of water means we get water from the wells. Okay, and rivers and lakes. Okay, rain is the main source of water. We must drink clean water and boiled water. Okay, so water is very important and food is very important. Without taking food, we feel very hungry, our body may sick. Yes children. Okay, so food is very important for us. What is the use of food, amma? Okay children, what do we need to live? Tell me all my dears first class children, what do we need to live? What do we need to live? We need food to live. We need water to live. We need air to live. Without taking air, even 2 or 3 minutes, we may die. So we need, what do we need to live? We need food to live. We need water to live. We need air to live. We need clothes to live. We need shelter to live. Okay, we need all these. All these things are very important for us. So the things which keep us alive, the things which keep us alive are called our basic needs. Tell me, what are our basic needs? Basic needs means all living things. All living things depend on basic needs. Okay, all living things need food, water and air. All living things need food, water and air. Without any one of these, humans cannot survive. Can you survive? Can you live without taking food and water? No, we can't. Okay. Okay, what do we need for breathing? What do we need for breathing? Why did you have a breakfast, Amma? Why did you have a breakfast? Because to live. Okay, children. We had a breakfast because to live. Isn't it? Okay. Why do we need water? Why do we need water? What is the use of water? What is the use of water? Water is used for drinking. Water is used for cooking food. Ask to your mom how to cook rice, how to cook curries. Okay, with the help of water only. Without water, no food. Okay, water is used for drinking. How many glasses of water you drink every day? 7 or 8 glasses of water you must drink every day. So water is used for drinking and cooking food and bathing and brushing our teeth and cleaning our houses, cleaning the bathrooms, cleaning the floors and cleaning the cars. Okay, and plants also need water to grow. Okay, and also yes, plants also need water, And for washing clothes, for washing utensils, we need water. Okay, children. It is not possible. Is it possible without water? Is it possible without water? No. Okay, it is not possible without water. Okay, now. So we must always drink clear water, clean water, and boiled water. Did you drink clean water, children? Yes. So coming to the lesson. So what is the name of the lesson? Our basic needs. What are our basic needs? Food, water, clothes, and shelter. Okay. So these are all our basic needs. All living things depend on all these basic needs. All living things have basic needs. Okay. What is the first one? Food. Can you tell children, where do we get food? Where do we get food, Amma? Where do we get food? Tell me, where does this food come from? Where does this food come from? Food comes from the plants and animals. What are the food items come from the plants? Already you know that. Fruits, vegetables, rice, wheat, grams, okay, grams, pulses, nuts, all these come from the plants only. What are the food items come from the animals? Yes, milk. Milk is a complete food, children. Okay, every day you have to drink milk 2 times daily. Okay, after getting up and before going to bed, definitely you have to drink milk. Okay, children? Yes. Okay, milk is a complete food. It makes our teeth and bones very strong. Okay, don't eat the chocolates, toffees, chips, pizza, burgers, ice creams. They may spoil your health. Okay, children, they are junk food. Junk food are not good for our health. Okay, children, and it may fall us sick. Okay, don't eat junk food. You must eat all varieties of fruits and vegetables. Okay, are you follow me? Are you able to understand? Yes. Okay, food comes from the plants and animals. Where does it come from, Mama? Food comes from the plants as well as animals. Okay, eggs also come from the animals, no children? Milk, meat, chicken, eggs come from the animals. Honey, what is the taste of honey? Sweet taste. Okay, we get honey from the honey bees. Okay, so we get food from the plants and animals. Okay, now, so what is the use of food? Food helps us to grow. Food helps us to grow. Food gives us strength and energy for doing lot of work, for playing, for running, okay, for writing. Okay, now for doing any work, you need food. Food gives you strength. Food gives us energy. Okay, children. So food gives us strength and energy. Food also help us to grow. Okay, na, and to keeps our body very fit and healthy. Okay, children. Food comes from the plants and animals. Food helps us to grow, okay, and keeps our body very fit and healthy. And also food gives us strength and energy for doing lot of work. So every day you have to eat fresh food. Every day you have to eat fresh food, clean food, covered food. Don't eat uncovered food. Okay, don't eat roadside food. Okay, children, are you follow me? Yes. So you must eat good food. You must eat good food. Okay. And next one, water. Water is very important for us, Amma. Okay, without water, how can we take bath? Is it possible? How can we brush our teeth without water? Is it possible? No, it is not possible without water. Water is used for drinking, okay, cleaning the clothes, cleaning the utensils, washing the clothes, okay, and putting out the fire, cleaning the cars. Okay, now plants too need water to grow. Okay, now washing, yes, cleaning the floors, washing our clothes, bathing. Okay, now cooking food. Okay, now for all these purpose we need water. Okay, now so rain is the main source of water. Okay, now and we must always drink clean water, pure water, boiled water. Without water we cannot live. Water is very important for us. food and water very important for us. Air is also very important for us children. Okay, do you breathe? Do you breathe? What do we need for breathing? What do we need for breathing? We need air to breathe. Are you breathe air? Yes children, are you breathe air? Okay children, yes. Are you breathe air? Yes, we need air to breathe continuously. We take air, yes, from the atmosphere or from the air to breathe. Okay children, all living things need air to breathe. Air is also one of the basic need. So what are our basic needs? The things which keep us alive are called basic needs. All living things depend on basic needs. What are our basic needs? What are our basic needs? Food, water, air, and shelter and clothes. These are all the basic needs. So we must have food, water, air, clothes and shelter to survive. Without any one of these, we can't stay alive. Okay children, tomorrow I will tell you about clothes and shelter. Okay children, bye, take care. Today you have to read the textbook.